Hello friends, for mindfulness today we're going to take a walk through my native gardens. The first plant we're going to look at is this plant right here. Take a minute and look at the shape, the texture, and the color. What kind of plant do you think this is? You all know. That's right, it's a fern. We're gonna move over here. So this plant looks very different than the fern. Take a moment and look at those leaves. It's interesting, it has almost a heart shape for a leaf. Look at the veins in the leaf. Look at the colors. What kind of plant do you think this is? That's right, this is called a hosta. We're going to move over here. We're going to take a look at this plant right here. Make some observations of this plant. What kind of plant do you think this is? That's right, this is called a purple cardinal flower. We're going to move over here and take a look at this plant, another native species. Has a really beautiful purple flower. It actually kind of looks like a plant that we see a lot of. It reminds me of clover, but it's not clover. It does begin with a C. This plant's called columbine. And our last plant that we're going to look at today is this plant right here. It's a little bit taller than the other plants that we've seen. This plant's called Joe Pye weed. It's actually not a weed, it is a native species. So what do you notice about all these plants? See that in this garden there's not a lot of sun. So these are all shade plants, and they're all native shade plants. Here, friends, is another native plant garden that I have in my yard. And this plant right here, most of you have seen it before. You saw it in the video where we were doing sketches for our field notes. And this is called a trillium. And trilliums are beautiful. They're found in the forest typically. And so when you're walking in the woods, be sure to look down. It used to have these beautiful burgundy flowers, however they fell off. So check out the pattern. And also, again, there's that heart-shaped leaf. Another plant that we're going to look at, you'll see a lot of these around western North Carolina. Does anybody recognize this plant? This plant is called a rhododendron. Now I'd like you to take a mindful walk outdoors. Enjoy your walk.